Hi, my name is Sheung, and today I'm gonna be showing you another one. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to design book cover and also how to turn it to mock book cover. So stay tuned, don't go away. And if you're new on this channel, kindly click on that button so that you will subscribe. And also don't forget, because I drop video every week and I don't want you to miss any of the video, because I always drop video on businesses. You can do online businesses, IT tools that can help you to grow your business or your personal brand. So you want to click on that bell button so that you get notification whenever I'm dropping the video. So let's go straight to the game. Now I'm going to be using two websites for you guys today, which is called canva.com and DIYbookcover.com. So I'm going to be showing you those two sites. That's where we're going to be doing the cover. So without wasting much of the time, this is canva.com. I'm going to click on this sign in. I'm clicking sign in because I have an account with them. If you don't have an account with them, you are going to click sign up. That means you are registering afresh. So you don't have an account, you are going to click sign up. But because I have an account with them, I click sign in. So once I click sign in, it says Canva Pro. I'm not doing Pro, so I'm gonna wait for it to load so that I can skip the Pro and just use the normal one, the free version. So now it says free 30 days trial, cancel anytime. So I don't want it, so I'm gonna skip this to the free one. So I'm gonna click on skip Canva Pro for now. Here we are, still loading. Now here we are. So I'm just going to type it here, book cover. So I'm going to click it, book cover. So I can pick any of these picture for my book cover. Okay, let's see. I think let me just use this. All right. So once I pick any one, now it's gonna load it in another tab where it will ask me to edit, remove the text, put my own, remove the image, put my own, remove everything that I don't want there, and place it with what I want to use. So this one say everything you never heard, everything you never heard. So let's just say this is the book. Maybe I want to change it. I can click it, then double click it. Click it twice, then edit it to whatever I want to. I can change it to anything I like, but let me just leave it this way. Then the written or author by, let me put my name. By Sean Digital. So if I put my name there, so I can save this picture. This is just like single image. So if I'm gonna save it, I'm just gonna click this button, download, then click save as PDF. No, change it to JPEG or PNG. So I'm gonna click PNG, then click on download. So I'm gonna download it. So I'm gonna wait for this to download. It's gonna pop up around here. It's gonna show you that it's downloading. Alright, it's downloading, you can see. Okay, now I'm gonna move to DIY book cover. That's when the next game. Now, DIYBookCovers.com. You may want to write that down and try to practice what I'm going to be showing you. Try to practice them. DIYBookCovers.com. So I'm going to click on book design, then I click on 3D Max. So once I click on 3D Max, then the next thing I'm doing is I'm going to select what kind of 3D Max do I want. Something like this, something like this. This is what graphic design will charge you for. This is what they will collect your money for, and whereas you can do it yourself. So I'm gonna pick any of these, and if I want it in 3 form, so I can come here and say composite. So I can pick either any of these ones. Maybe I have the book in video formats. In video format, I can select any of these if I have it in video format. But because the book is just a book, single book, so I can come here and pick any of this one. So let's say I want to pick this one. Okay, let me pick this one. Then after I might have picked that one, then the next thing I'm doing is click on next. Then I'll click on browse. Okay, I'm gonna click on browse because I want to upload the one I just finished. The design I just finished, that I just downloaded. I'm gonna upload it by clicking this browse, then locate it. So I'm gonna locate it. Here you are. So I'm gonna open it. Click on open. Then after that, I'm gonna click on upload. So once I click on upload, it should upload now. You can see it's uploading 100%. See it's showing. After this, I'm gonna click next. Then I'm gonna click either of this, either PNG or JPEG. So PNG and download it. That's all. Once I click PNG, it's gonna download it. I'm gonna wait because it's going to download it now. Finished. So let's check our book. Let's check the book out. Let me open the book and see how it looks like. It's very simple. Less than 5 minutes, you're done. If you know what you're doing, if you know what kind of design you want to do, less than 5 minutes, you are done. So you don't need to disturb yourself giving a job to a graphics designer that will shop your money. So with this, you should be able to do a 3D book cover. So you save your pen. So let's check how it's looking. So let's check how it's looking. Let's see. Wow, you can see this is 3D book cover. Don't you like this? I know you like it. So with these, you can even start doing it for people. This is another way to make money online. So you can start, and the benefit of this is you can sign up on Fiverr and let them know you will do a 3D book cover for them like this. Sign up on Fiverr and make sure, just tell them 3D book cover only, 3D book cover, and start doing it for people like this. Just $5. I mean just doing this for $5 is cool. You're not doing much, you get it? So thank you for coming around to watch this video, and don't forget to like the video, share the video, do comments. If you have any other platform or other website I do not know that you think is also good for designing book cover, kindly drop the comment down below. And don't forget, if you are new on this channel, you know what, you have to click on that button to subscribe. And if you really want to be getting video from me, you also have to click that bell button so that you will be the first person to know whenever I'm dropping a video. All right, thank you so much. Bye for now.